Take it. He took it. I meant take the hook, not my bait.
We win. Oh, yes, let's go.
Ah, little baby. Little baby. Nice. Alright, little baby. Found another one.
Nice. Look at that one, he's cute.
That is so funny. He was on the bottom.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You got a mom or dad down there.
Right?
Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Grandpa. Where's Big Daddy at? Where's you met Lex yet? Lex Hunt?
No, but he seems
No.
so funny.
Lex is like one of the funniest people I've ever met in my life.
The first video I ever watched of his, like, it started out, and he was like, alright, y'all, I had to go take a dump in the marsh.
He's so
I was like,
funny.
oh